In Croatia and Europe widely, we use ICD-11 diagnostic classification, and in ICD-11 we have term gender incongruence. It is condition in which the gender identity of a person does not align with the gender assigned at birth. ICD-11 has refined gender identity-related health, replacing outdated diagnostic categories from ICD-10, diagnosis of transsexualism and gender identity disorder of children, with gender incongruence of adolescence and adulthood and gender incongruence of childhood, respectively. Gender incongruence has been moved out of the manual mental and behavior disorders chapter and into the new conditions related to sexual health chapters. This reflects current knowledge that trans-related and gender-diverse identities are not conditions of mental ill health, and that classifying them as such can cause enormous stigma to trans people. Inclusion of gender incongruence in ICD-11 should ensure transgender people's access to gender-affirming health care as well as adequate health insurance coverage for such services. Recognition in the ICD-11 also acknowledges the links between gender identity, sexual behavior, exposure to violence, and sexually transmitted infections.